Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chuck Porter. Happy birthday to you. I love your videos.
Let's go. Slide it over. Yeah. Now you flip it. Let me see that. Let's go. This is a brand new gun, air nailer, and it just all of a sudden started leaking here, and it just bleeds out all the air from the compressor in no time, and she won't drive nails anymore. I oiled it, you know, and tried all the stuff that I would normally do. I've used these guns for years, and there's just something got into it, and it will not work. So it's back to the old-fashioned way. Well, I don't have a gym membership, but even if I did, I would certainly cancel it while I'm building this cabin, because it's a lot of work, and it's hard work too. Each one of those 2x10x14s are pretty heavy. A lot of lifting. I'll do the other side next. Well, today is going to be a bit of a big day. I'll try to get as much flooring on as I can here. Putting the flooring on, putting the plywood on, kind of helps square everything up, and I can't stress the importance of making sure this foundation is good. because everything else is going to balance on what I do here. When that kit comes in, that's it. I mean, this is the base. So I'm confident I got a nice strong structure there now. Putting the flooring on, I got to level everything up 100%. So I'm going to get at it. It's going to be a hot day, but it's absolutely beautiful here today, as always. Off by about 1.5 inches, so that's not too bad. I'll put it together now. Another beautiful morning. Got a nice bit done to the floor yesterday. Punched a long day, got really hot. So we gave up then about supper time and back at the end of the day, finish her off. Got a little bit of the floor left to finish off today. A bit of a wet day, but I brought in the reinforcements today. My cousin, the Jamie man, Jamie Meister, Jamie Hillier from Campbellton. We grew up together, and good handy fella. So today we're going to finish her off. Here we go. I'm sure not to. That's just a pretty face. Guys, it's finally done. I tell you, it's precise, it's square, it's level, it's supported strongly, and I'm considering it done. We got everything done to code, what was on the engineered plan, and I tell you, to be up here on top feels good, and it feels strong, very, very solid, and we're just so excited. Now it's becoming real. When you look at it, you can just see that the building is becoming, it seems immense, almost a little intimidating. But we're certainly happy, and I'm happy that my cousin Jamie, you couldn't see my other cousin Terry, he used to hide away from the camera there. I might have snuck him in there once or twice. But now we're going to move on to other things. I think I'm going to work on my septic system because my cabin is on the way in, but not quite here yet. We got a little bit of time to play with. So until the next time, take care of each other, get outside, and enjoy everything outdoors. And we'll see. You gotta say that part?
Oh yeah.
So until the next video, guys, take care of each other, get outside, and enjoy everything outdoors.
And we'll see you next time. Guaranteed. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah.